Alright guys, so today I'm just gonna do a quick follow-up analysis on SPY. So I already did like two analysis on SPY. Where was that? Where is that? Yeah, so
Stop right here. Retreat.
we did analysis, the SPY could drop.
But like I said, as long as it's holding above the demand zone, we're good. Below just about
So if you watch
260.
this, but you if you did your own trades, you would have made a lot of money. But now, like I said on the video, that if SPY, let's see, pull that up. So where was it? Was yesterday. Let me see. So I said like 258, 252. Anyway, it dropped. Okay, so where do we see SPY next? So today's SPY just gap down. SPY I think is at let me see. SPY SPY is at 244. I mean yeah, 244.8, 244. Then it's back to 248.11. So tomorrow, as long as SPY is below this now, we're looking at 256 for the next strong resistance. We can see SPY 240, 256. As long as it's below 256, we're gonna be bearish. So SPY actually touched 44. Yeah, I can still see SPY going to like, what do you say, 238? Yeah, I said 238 on the analysis on Discord. So 238. So if you check the weekly chart, we broke the 200 EMA. So we're going down. So back in 2018, market dipped to all the way to 238. So what's gonna happen? We could actually hit that tomorrow. So tomorrow, if SPY, what's gonna happen is like that thing's gonna break. If the market is bearish tomorrow, it's gonna break, and if it holds above this thing, that's a good sign. So we're gonna bounce in the market. That would be a good entry point to enter the market. To enter the market. So it's not necessarily gonna be a long, because under weekly chart, like it could go down here. If he holds, it's gonna go up, consolidate, and go back up. We can actually make head and shoulder. So if it holds about 238 tomorrow, end of the day, that's weekly chart. Let's see, 9. Yeah, because tomorrow is the end of the weekly chart. So tomorrow is Friday. The weekly chart, March 9 and March 16. Yeah, actually, March 9. Yeah, that was the end. So March 16, 17. So next week, as long as it's above this, we can see it rebounding back to 255, 256. So so tomorrow, end of the day, if SPY goes below 238 and goes back up about 238 before the market close, we can enter that for those strike prices like 256 for like Tuesday or Wednesday, because that thing can easily rebound, or do it Friday next week, and we could actually see like a head and shoulder in the market before we actually go down. But that thing's gonna take a while. Like we see that, I'm gonna take like 2021, 2022. But right now, market is correcting. But once it starts building the head and shoulder under weekly, that would be a that would be a sign that we might go down. But the market's not gonna go all the way down here probably. But right now, we're just looking at like in the next few weeks. So this is what I see about this is what I see on SPY, like what it might do. So like I said, we need it to hold above 238 from 2018's strongest resistance. Then it's gonna rebound. To be more bullish, we need to go above like 256 to do the other head. I mean shoulder, like head and shoulder on weekly charts. So that's it, guys. I hope it helps. Then let's see if it's hold on. This to our inverse. So you know, hold on, daily. Oh dang. Okay, that's weird. Okay, I lost it. UVXY. So for UVXY, let me close like 6 to 8 end of the day. Yeah, close like 65. Anyway, so it's actually a resistance, so it's struggling right now, but you can hit like 170. You can see that it's right here under 2 hours, 2 hour chart. That's the resistance right there. You can see that right here. Let me clean that up. There we go. You see that? It's pretty much the market is actually respecting everything right now. So slots buy hold above 238. We should be fine. I'm doing I'll be on the voice chat tomorrow morning. I mean I try to go every day. But tomorrow 30 minutes before the market close, we're gonna watch SPY real carefully. Then we'll enter above 238 if it goes back in. So if it goes out all the way like 233, that's good. The longer the week, it's like the better, you know. You can see that's the strongest one, 238. So if he holds above that, we're going back in. We're going to do it like 254 next week. Alright guys, I hope this thing helps. Just let me know if you have any questions. DM me on Discord. Thank you guys.